Hey everyone, welcome. It was June 2022 when I first introduced to you the Pirelli XCRC tires. We've been using them ever since on 3 race bikes. So let's take a close look at these tires before I take them off the rims and see how well they last throughout the season. And from the beginning, we have actually used 2 versions of this tire. One is the light casing tire that is only 650 grams. We used these ones with inserts on the rear. As for the front, we've used the XCRC Pro Wall sidewall, which is the reinforced sidewall. We usually use them between 16 and 18 psi's up front, anywhere between 17 and 20 psi's in the back. As for the riding that we did on these tires, please don't ask me about kilometers because we don't use Strava that way. However, I can tell you that we use them for a season and a bit, both for training and racing at the provincial level. And that also included the local races. I hope you guys have something like that you can participate in. For more details on these tires, I'm going to point you to that old video when I introduced them. But let's take a close look at how they are today. Both of these tires have 2 seasons of them, believe it or not. I've always used this as a front tire. I've only added sealant to it at the beginning of the season. And the rear, I had a light tire at some point that I destroyed due to a snake bite. Knobs are intact, threads, you can see a bit of wear as expected. But otherwise, the only visible wear is here on the sidewalls. Tire keeps pressure, no problem still. So I'm actually planning to use this set of tires until the end of their life. Tires on this bike number 2 are the most abused. These are the classical Pro Wall front, light rear with an insert. And they are the most abused because these wheels used to be used by my son. Both of these tires were new at the beginning of last season, so they have a season and I guess the spring of 2024 of use on them. The Pro Wall front is holding pretty well, but you can see the wear here on the sidewall. You will notice those lines showing you that the rubber is just wearing off. Mind you, these tires keep air very well still, and we have used this tire with the plug for most of last year, obviously at the beginning of this year. No issues whatsoever with retaining air. The tubeless setup was seamless with these Pirellis. Finally, the Specialized Epic Evo, using that first ever bird wheel set that I built, using the same Pro Wall up front and light sidewall in the rear. On this, you can see less wear on the sidewalls, only because it was my daughter that used these wheels and tires the whole last season. Otherwise, just like the others, you can see the wear on the knobs themselves, also the sidewall. I just added a bit more sealant so they can still hold air and be usable. And because of the single compound, these tires offered similar level of grip as they were when they were new. So there you have it, guys. Really super happy with these tires. If you ask me, these are the best tires we have ever used for cross-country riding. They are reliable. I love the grip. They last long enough, way longer than what I had before. And overall, if you can tell, I am very happy with these Pirellis. At least for now, we'll keep buying them and using them on our race bikes. What about you folks? What do you use on your race bikes? Let us know in the comments below. Hope you found this useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And until next time, hope to see you folks on the trails. Cheers, guys. Cheers.